Hey, let's go.
Freedom. Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Isn't she lovely? Come on now. Come on now. If you want to know who's that girl, if you want to get into all her sneaky dicky details, listen, stay tuned because I'm about to show you how I got her all the way together, okay? And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you will get notified. And if you've been here and you've been rocking with me and you already know what we're about to do, look, go ahead, like the video, comment, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get into All right, so let's get into who's that girl. Now, before I get into Miss Thing's details, my eye is watering like crazy. I had an allergic reaction to something. I don't know what that something is, but it just started to get better, and my dumb behind self wanted to do a wig review so bad, wanted to beat my face so bad for this hair that your girl was just like, my eye's gonna have to take an L. And then my eye is telling me, yeah, no, you have to take this L because I'm not gonna stop leaking. So while I'm doing this video, if you see little leakage, is because I'm allergic to something. Anyway, so let me go ahead and get into Miss Thing. So I got Miss Thing from Sensationnel What Lace Collection. Her name is Adanna. Now, Adanna had all the girls raving and ranting. By the time I went to go purchase her, when she first came out, this is what was left over. So I've literally had this wig in my collection for, I want to say, about a year and some change. And I'm just now reviewing her. So I'm late, yes, but whatever. I showed up, right? I showed up. That's all that mattered. I showed up. So Miss Adanna, again, is from the Sensationnel What Lace Collection. She's 13 by 6, ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied lace, pre-plucked natural hair density, undetectable floorless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave. This is how she looks on the stock card. This is her in the middle part and the side part. In the inside, it pretty much just shows you what her lace looks like, the cap construction, all that good stuff. And in the back, shows you all the beautiful colors that she comes in. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. Of course, she has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. She is definitely big head friendly. When I combed her out, I didn't get that much shedding and she did not tangle. Now, her hair density, she's a thick girl. She thickums. I'm gonna call her thickums. She's thickums. She has a lot of hair. Like this is a lot of hair. If you don't like a lot of hair, then maybe this is not for you. But girl, she's beautiful just the way she is. Like, I mean, I'm like literally tossing and turning her all like in every direction, and she's giving hair, she's giving body, she's giving volume, she's giving, who is that girl for real? I mean, I already warned y'all, it is what it is. My eyes is just on some other ish right now, and I ain't even, look at that. Look at that. Looking F crazy. I gotta take photos and everything. Anyway, where would I wear her to? Miss Thing is definitely a birthday wig. I think she is a statement wig. Like wherever you wearing her to, you were making a freaking bold ass statement. I am here. I am proud. I am big. I am loud. Like she is a birthday wig. Would I buy Miss Adanna again? Is that Adanna, like Adanna Howard? Oh, I wanna freak in the morning, freak in the evening, just like me. I need a roughneck who can satisfy me. No, that's a Dina. Not a Dina, it's a Dina. Anyway, would I buy her again? Yes, I would. I would not even hesitate. I would get her in this color again because she's fly. I would get her in probably all the... She is just going to be in my collection for a very long time. Like, I'm not even mad at this one right here. I would literally continue to buy her as long as Sensational continues to sell her, because she's worth every freaking dime. I think she's a little bit under $50 or maybe under $60 with shipping and handling. But if you buy more than one wig, then that could be, you know, free. She is just amazing. Even with my eye makeup being all messed up, she's still giving life. Ciao. Listen. All right, guys. So that's all I got for this video. I'm sorry it's all over the place. Like I said, my eye makeup really messed up this whole look. But ooh, this whole look. Oh my God. If you like what you see and you want to see more girls like this one, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video you will get notified. All right, guys, I love y'all. Hope y'all understand this leakage because I don't.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew.